Because if younger royals like William are quietly guiding the monarchy's future, it could signal a shift in how influence works inside the palace. But the deeper mystery remained unanswered. If this moment was meant to honor the memory of Queen Elizabeth II, why wasn't the entire royal leadership visibly united behind the decision? And more importantly, was the story really over? Or was the royal family about to face an even bigger wave of questions? When stories about the Balmoral cottage began circulating widely, royal watchers quickly turned their attention to one complicated question: who actually has the legal authority to decide what happens on the Balmoral estate? At first glance, the answer seems simple. After the passing of Queen Elizabeth II, ownership of Balmoral Castle transferred directly to her son, King Charles III. But royal property law is far more complicated than most people realize. Here's a surprising legal fact: not all royal residences belong to the same system. Some properties are controlled by the Crown Estate, which is managed on behalf of the British public. Others belong to royal duchies, such as the Duchy of Lancaster or the Duchy of Cornwall. Balmoral is different. It is considered a private inheritance, passed down from monarch to monarch within the royal family. That means decisions about cottages, land use, and family access are technically personal matters, not public ones. Yet even private royal decisions can spark major public reactions. And that's exactly what happened once the media began connecting Lady Louise Windsor to a cottage on the Balmoral grounds. Some commentators praised the idea immediately. They pointed out that Louise has always been known for her quiet dedication and close relationship with both Prince Philip and Queen Elizabeth II. To them, the cottage felt like a heartfelt tribute to a granddaughter who shared the Queen's love for the Scottish countryside. But others raised a different concern. Why Louise, and not another royal relative? Because the British royal family is large. And whenever inheritance or property decisions appear uneven, speculation naturally follows. Another surprising detail complicated the discussion even further. Unlike her cousins Prince William and Prince Harry, Lady Louise has never been considered a working royal. She does not carry out official engagements regularly, and she is currently focused on her education. That raised an unusual question among royal commentators. Could granting access to a Balmoral property eventually place her in a more visible royal role? Some observers believed the move might symbolize a quiet shift in the monarchy's long-term structure. But as speculation spread, attention once again returned to another key figure, Queen Camilla. In royal households, the spouse of the monarch often participates in discussions involving family residences, particularly when those properties play a role in royal traditions. Yet in the Balmoral cottage story, Camilla appeared completely absent from the narrative. No public statement. No confirmation she was consulted. No indication she supported or opposed the arrangement. In the world of royal politics, that silence triggered new theories. Some commentators argued that the situation revealed how King Charles III's reign is still adjusting to internal family dynamics. Others suggested that the monarchy is slowly transitioning toward a future shaped more heavily by Prince William's generation. And that's not entirely surprising. William is widely expected to lead the monarchy for decades once his father's reign eventually ends. Because of that, many royal insiders believe his influence inside family decisions is already growing. But even with those explanations, the public debate continued. After all, royal inheritance stories have caused controversy before.